Welcome to another video of Streamline Technology's new release video series for StormWise, formerly ep.4. The purpose of this video is to provide an overview of the simulation improvements introduced in this new release of StormWise. Let's start with a brief introduction of the new layout of the Simulation Manager. You are all familiar with the previous layout of text-based buttons along the bottom tray of the Simulation Manager window within icpr4. This has been redesigned so that all functions are now accessible via icons in the top tray. Included here are creating new simulations, logs pertaining to simulation status, errors, warnings, and history, respectively, import and export of simulation CSV files, and the simulation execution button shown by this water droplet. These tools will apply to the selected simulation as shown in the highlighted bar. The selected simulation is indicated by the black arrow within the name column to the left. Additionally, the simulation logs, as well as options to clone and delete simulations, may now be accessed through right-clicking on the simulation of interest. Previously, when users created a new simulation record, it was automatically created for the active scenario. Within StormWise, users are now prompted to specify a scenario where the new simulation record will be placed, regardless of the currently active scenario. The same process applies for when users clone a simulation record. As previously mentioned, a simulation record may be cloned by right-clicking on it. For users with multi-core systems, thread count selection for simulations has been refined from previous versions of ICPR. With the default auto-detect, StormWise will automatically reserve one thread for the operating system and allocate all those remaining to the simulation. Users may check the amount of threads that StormWise auto-detected and applied to a simulation's execution by checking its simulation log. Users are able to directly specify the amount of system threads utilized for the simulation by either a drop-down menu or directly entering a value. Some experimentation will be required to determine the optimal number of threads for your project. Ensure you are not over-assigning threads, as there is a point of diminishing returns. Never use every available system thread for StormWise, as at least one thread must remain available for your computer's operating system. Selecting all available threads will rather slow down simulation times. Error trapping has been greatly improved within StormWise, resulting in additional simulation error and warning messages. A list of common errors and warnings can be found in the help documentation under the Troubleshooting Errors and Warning Messages section. This concludes our video overview of simulation improvements. Please contact us through technical support as need be, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos on the new features of this StormWise program. Thank you for watching.